Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So today I'll be making a keto caramel sauce. I experimented many times and I ended up with this recipe. So first we need to dissolve the butter and the erythritol in a saucepan by using the lowest heat you have. Now because I've made this many times, I actually found out that erythritol is kind of like sugar. It can crystallize if you don't stir it in the right way. So I did some research and I found out that after the erythritol melts, when the temperature falls back down to 43 degrees, the erythritol will crystallize again. This would cause our caramel sauce to not be very smooth, but if you're going to use xanthan gum, then you don't need to worry about this. However, if you don't have xanthan gum, you can try using another sugar substitute. Or if you don't have that, then just don't stir the erythritol too often before it melts. So we're gonna boil the butter until you reach this color. Now we're only gonna add a spoon of cream to start with. Be careful, don't let the caramel splash on you, it's really hot. Never add the cream all at once or else you're gonna end up with a layer of cream and a layer of butter. So at the end we're gonna add in the rest of the cream and start stirring. Here you can boil it on a medium-low heat. The normal caramel sauce is made by caramelizing the sugar. Now the keto one is by caramelizing the butter. The theory is different, but it tastes just as good. I boiled it until this consistency. You can go further. And now we can add in our secret ingredient, xanthan gum. We're just gonna stir it all together and make sure that there are no lumps. And then we can turn the heat off and transfer it into our container. By the way guys, you can add some salt if you want to make salted caramel. You can use this sauce to make keto ice cream, keto bread, caramelized nuts, or even milk tea or pudding. I will also be uploading a video of a keto caramel cheesecake, so don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time.